Hello everyone, I am Namrata Jaina from Pawai Events and welcome to our today's live session. Firstly, a big thank you to everyone who joined us on Friday for our Facebook live session with Iris. We really had a great time baking with her. So thank you everyone for that. Well, like I always say, at Live with NJ, we meet many fascinating people, discuss various offbeat topics, feature diverse professions and businesses, know about each one's success journey, and also we look at different perspectives of people's journey and much more. People's life journey, I must add. So, if you have a captivating story or a business and you are looking for an audience, please contact me. And yes, all our lives are posted on our IGTV and Facebook pages as well. Well, so today we have a very unique topic to discuss with our guest. It is the effect, so it is about mythology and the effect of its learning on the 21st century. Interesting, isn't it? Well, so without further ado, let me introduce him. Our special guest today is Rishi Nanda. He is also called the spiritualist. Rishi is a facilitator, mythologist, tarot card reader, and a spiritual speaker for various corporate and non-corporate entities. His mythological knowledge and practical life experiences make him connect and understand various personalities and train them in a simple yet powerful manner which leaves a lasting impression on them. He started way back in 2015. He started taking sessions and up till now has delivered across 600 sessions in 50 cities across 25 industries and more than 100 organizations. Well, that is a very fascinating number, I must say. He has also co-authored a book, Break Your Leadership Chakra View, with his wife Mehak Mahajan Nanda. So please join me to welcome Rishi on our show. Hi Rishi,
Hi Namrata.
I can hear you, but I'm still waiting for the video to come up.
Mm, okay.
We will wait. We will say it's
Okay.
connecting.
Okay. Yeah, because from my side,
So you can see the
yes.
twin window from your side. Okay, we
Yeah,
will. We
but I
shall
cannot
wait.
see myself, but yeah.
हाँ exactly. तो वो connecting पे अटका हुआ है.
Okay.
Do you want me to connect again?
Yeah, I think so. I'll log off and log in.
No,
Okay,
I
should I?
will try
Okay.
adding you
Yeah,
back. Hold
please.
on.
Yeah.
Sorry, people, we have to go through the technological glitch. Nothing can be
Yeah.
done. Rishi, I'm still waiting. I can hear you.
Yeah, but I can see you and I can see the both of us on the screen, so I think it
Oh,
will take
you
a
can?
second for you.
हाँ,
Yeah, I can see that.
we
Yeah.
should we will wait it out.
Okay.
You never know, बारिश हो रही है and दो तीन इंटरनेट तो लेके घर पे बैठते हैं, but कौन सा कब काम करे वो भी नहीं पता हमें. So it's a matter of luck, I think. I've also had this situation before with one of my guests. She could not join in that day for whatever technological glitch. I
Okay.
still can't connect. What do you want me to do? You want to switch your internet and then maybe join
I'll
back?
I'll try that. I'll try that. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Till then,
Yeah,
I will
just
chit chat with my audience.
yeah.
All right. So people, while we get Rishi back, I would like to also add any questions you have because it's going to be a very interesting session. मेरे लिए बहुत interesting है because I'm very intrigued to know how will he connect mythology with his motivational speeches. So I'm very excited for that. Let me see. Rishi, are you back? So he's trying to switch his connection and come back. Let's try. Let's see. Let us try again. Rishi, I can hear you.
Yeah, can you see me?
No, I can't see you.
I have no clue then.
Do you want to
I
try
we
from?
did.
Do you want to
I'll
try
try from
from
another
Mehak?
mobile. I'll just try from another. Yeah, I'll do that. है ना?
No,
Yeah.
because Mehak
Even
ने
though we do a
request
mock,
भेजा था.
ठीक है.
Yeah, the
I'll
mock
just try from
worked
Mehak, है ना?
pretty well.
Yeah, correct. So just give me a minute, and I'll just try. I'll just take Mehak's phone. Yeah.
Let's try talking to Mehak instead then. Sorry, viewers. We are trying to get
Now can you
yes,
see me?
yes. Welcome.
ये मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है जब तक मैं अपनी अर्धांगिनी को इन्वॉल्व नहीं करता हूँ
Yes, I
अर्धनारीश्वर
was
पूरा
about
नहीं
to
बनता
say,
हूँ तब
I
तक
was
वो
about to say
होता ही
that
नहीं है.
I was about to say you have co-authored a book with her, and I'm sorry I've not invited her. She can also join us. Please be my guest.
No,
I'll
no,
be
no, she
more than
can do.
happy to speak
No, no,
with both of you. So
correct,
sorry,
नहीं,
viewers, about the technological glitch. This is also teaching us new life lessons
correct.
that stay calm and then move on, and then you can connect back.
Correct,
So,
correct, correct.
like I was telling the viewers, those were amazing numbers. You've done over 600 sessions, 50 cities. That's a lot. And more than 100 organizations. And what I didn't add is more than 19,000 people have been
Correct.
your audience. That's uh,
Correct.
that's a huge number. So congratulations for that to start with.
Thank you. Thank you. It's all grace of God, to be honest.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
but
is,
thank you
I'm
so much.
sure. So, but even before we start talking about, I'm actually very excited to know. But then before that, I want to know how did Rishi Nanda become a motivational speaker? That too, well, you had a corporate job, and with
Correct.
the 9 to 5 job, I understand many people think हमें कुछ करना है, and we want to make a lateral move, and you did the lateral move. But then your lateral move was very different from what others are doing. You wanted to become a motivational speaker with a difference. So how did that start? How did the journey start?
So I'll put it in a very crisp manner.
Huh.
So 2000, I was really happy with my job. There was no problem with my job. I was heading when I quit, I was heading Bajaj Finserv Bombay division for the personal loan department. I was working with the best of people, the best of organization, the great team and all. So there was nothing that I felt frustrated and I thought of doing something, nothing like that. And in 2011, I was blessed with a daughter. And the moment I held her in my hands, I had a thought in my mind that, what do I give this girl beyond money? So that thought stuck in my mind. Okay, what do I give this girl beyond money? So I thought, okay, fair enough. I thought for a couple of months that what should I give? What should I give? And after a couple of months, I realized that, I want to give her a belief system that when she grows up, she can chase her dream.
Right.
So that thought was, very important in my mind. But then I asked myself that, when she'll grow up, she'll tell me, Papa, you're telling me to chase a dream. You're giving me an example of, let's say, Lata Mangeshkar, and all, or a Sachin Tendulkar, or Yuvraj Singh, or a Shah Rukh Khan. आपने क्या किया? आप खुद तो job कर रहे थे. So then I thought, and the issue was, Namrata, I didn't have a dream that time. I really was not aware, what I wanted to do. So 2012, after like 6-8 months of, thought process, I quit my job without having any clue what I wanted to do, without having any backup plan. I just took a leap of faith. I just believed in God at that time. कि जो होएगा देख लेना, and I put my resignation. Those 3 years, then I struggled a lot to figure out what I wanted to do. So those 3 years, literally, I did nothing in life. I was more into a disguised employment with my dad and my elder brother and younger brother into their business. But I don't think so. I did even this much value in their business. In fact, I believe I would have been a liability for them. But then finally, 2013, 14, I got attracted to a Bhagavad Gita CD.
Okay.
And that was the only impulse purchase I've ever made in my life. I don't know what attracted me to that CD. I just purchased that CD and I used to listen to that CD every day, complete CD. So my dad and my brothers, go down is at Bhiwandi and we step away. So every day I used to go to, Bhiwandi, listen very carefully and all those things. And after a year or so, I got up with a thought in the middle of a night, Rishi, get into ancient Indian history. get
So
into
that was your turning
popularly
point.
whatever. Yeah, and then I took a leap of faith. I said, "Ab jo hoega dekha jayega." And then I told my dad that now I've got clarity what I want to do, but the issue is I still don't know how to
How?
do. So I know why to do, I know what to do, but I don't know how to do. So again, for a year, then I read a lot of books. I attended a lot of sessions. I met a lot of people. I traveled, quite a few places just to interact with people for 20, 30 minutes to understand how it needs to be done.
Okay.
And then I, met a couple of people and I got the guidance that, I need to have modules because I don't want
Yeah.
to, एक तो मेरा नाम भी ऋषि है तो लोग सुनते हैं ऋषि आएगा प्रवचन करना चालू हो जाएगा. So that was the main thing. So then we designed a lot of modules and everything, and grace of God, then things started to started to fall. So last 5 6 years has been phenomenal. But that was
That was
in
your
short, that
struggle.
was my,
But were you
yeah, that
always
was my.
spiritually inclined? So there's a difference between being religious and being spiritual. So were you always spiritually
Correct.
inclined, or that purchase of Bhagavad Gita made the whole difference? कुछ सोच के ही
So
तो खरीदा होगा.
Namrata, my नहीं, ये मैं आपको ना इसमें एक स्टोरी है जो मेरे ग्रैंडफादर मुझे कहते कि किताब भगवत गीता जैसे जो है, इट कुड बी इन अ बाइबल, इट कुड बी इन अ कुरान और एनी अदर स्क्रिप्चर दैट यू सेड. माय ग्रैंडफादर टोल्ड मी कपल ऑफ टाइम्स व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल दैट ऋषि, भगवत गीता एक ऐसी किताब है जो तू पढ़ना चाहेगा तो भी नहीं तू पढ़ेगा. कोई भी रीडर भगवत गीता सेलेक्ट नहीं करता है, भगवत
It
गीता रीडर
comes to
सेलेक्ट
you.
करती है. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट. अभी हमारे घर पे भगवत गीता इतने सालों से मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था, बट वो स्टोर में मुझे पता नहीं क्या हुआ, आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक आई नीड टू परचेज इट. और मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में. जस्ट अनूप जलोटा की थी, तो मैं उनको पूछा, सर ये इंग्लिश में है, हिंदी में है, संस्कृत में है, क्या है कुछ, तो बोला सर मुझको नहीं पता. ऐसे दे जोएगा, आई बाय दैट.
So that
So
came to you.
I after that, yes. So after that, then there were a lot of transformation within me. There was a lot of changes, that took place. So yeah. So before that, I doubt I was into much. But yeah. So as you rightly said, I believed in religious practices earlier. हम गणपति जी घर पे लाते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, सब करते हैं. But then later on, I realized that religion, following the religion, religious practices,
It's
the
different.
rituals that are there is part of it. Yeah, it's just a part of it. Could be a stepping stone. It gives me an exposure towards it. But the moment you step out of it and you look at a context, when you go out beyond your religion, that is where I feel spirituality takes place. Religion is more of an extrovert and spirituality is more of introvert. You connect with yourself. So there were a lot of changes that took place in my thought process also later on.
So basically, the practice before you preach wala situation, you have to practice it on yourself before you even start preaching. So that has
Yeah.
actually
Yeah.
100% worked on you.
Correct. And especially keeping my kids in mind, because whatever I do today, I always keep them in mind. कि अगर if I tell them tomorrow, ये करो, तो वो बोले आपने किया है क्या? So I really, so I've gone through the entire, ups and downs phase, physically, financially, emotionally, stress and all. So I understand the journey that a person goes through when you quit your job without having
Yeah,
any
it's
backup
not
plans,
easy.
and then coming out of it. So yeah, so I genuinely didn't want to just tell them कर को, तो let's do it and see. Yeah.
And how difficult was it? So once you started, how difficult was it to even convince people that this is a new concept? I mean, new in the sense it's an old concept, but then it's like a remix thing. आप new, old को new करके people के सामने ला रहे हो, and it's like a
Correct.
forgotten tale. We have it. We have the
Correct.
textbooks in our houses. How many of us go back and read it, and how many of us take lessons from it? So it's like the remix kind of a concept back. So how difficult was it for you to even convince the people to buy your session, in the sense even to book you to even for corporate they have to be convinced Rishi will come and give this to our employees and they should be helpful. How difficult was that?
Initially, to be honest, it was really difficult. Difficult is not the word. I didn't even get any appointments. जैसे मैं बोलता था कि I would like to explain concepts from our epics, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, how it is practical, how it's applicable to us. मतलब मुझे appointment भी नहीं मिलता था. They are like no, and see, everyone had their own thought process, which I really
Yeah.
understand, because let's say for example आप मुझे opportunity देते हो और मैं stage पे खड़ा होके and there's a secular crowd over there. I can make it into religious conversation also.
Yeah.
So initially I had faced a lot of issues, and genuinely I faced a lot of issues, and no one was giving me an opportunity. No one was giving me even 20 minutes or 10 minutes to even address to the HR and all. But then one of my friend Abhinav, he's my college friend, he gave me brilliant advice. He said जो तूने सीखा है, it is related to behavior, correct? It is related to behavioral skills and all. मैंने he said it's related to even psychology. I said हाँ. He said then why don't you take sessions? Why don't you take behavioral sessions? तो एक बार कॉर्पोरेट के अंदर तो आओ, एंड देन तू छोटे छोटे एग्जांपल देख, सी व्हाट द फीडबैक इज, आर पीपल कनेक्टिंग और नो, बिकॉज़ लॉट ऑफ टाइम यू माइट फील यू गॉट एन प्लान, but either
You're not
you are not
connecting.
ready or the world is not ready. It could
Right.
be two ways also. So I think that advice helped a lot. And then I started taking a lot of trainings, and and grace of God, because what happened when you read books such as beautiful books as Ramayana or Mahabharata or Bhagavad Gita and Vishnu Puran, Shiv Puran, Bhagavatam and all, तो आपको behavioral थोड़ा आपको understanding better हो जाता है, and then just to ensure that corporates don't take me कि ये ऋषि बाबा है. So then I also did a lot of certification courses, MBTI, or it could be situational leadership or Dale Carnegie and all those things. So and as you rightly said, remix karna tha. So then I
Right.
realized that if when I started interacting with those participants, I realized that they like it. They are liking the stories, they're liking the examples, they're liking the learning. But then the presentation mattered a lot. So
Right.
then, as you rightly said, we made it very contemporary for them. Games, activities, quiz, puzzles, storytelling, and all those things. We have to work a lot on it. And then finally, one of my client, when I was with them for 2-3 years, finally one of my client trusted me. And in 2017, they said, I'll give you one workshop. So then from there it started. But if you
And
would ask me, yeah, sorry, yeah. So that
no,
was
no.
the like 2-3 years was quite a challenge. But then after that, once they started to see, then I made a lot of YouTube videos also. At that time, the quality was not that great because I was just stepping into it. So that is the moment where people started to feel and realize that कि ये ऐसा बोलता है, ऐसा करता है. It is nothing to do. Namrata, I had to struggle so much to, introduce the concept on stage, because what happened now, when you're standing, and trust me, there are 1,000 people sitting, and I've been blessed to address massive crowd quite a number of time. You don't know their belief system, you don't know their
Exactly. I was
religion, you don't
about
know
to ask
anything.
the same, that how has,
Correct,
because India is such a secular country, and the
correct.
moment you say mythology, people can have a mindset, is he talking about Hinduism? Is he talking about religion? So how did you break that?
Correct. So as you rightly use the word, India is a very secular country, and I've understood, by traveling. To be honest, I've been to tier 4 location, tier 3 locations. I've been to Jharkhand. I've been to Bihar. I've been to Karnataka. I've been to east, north. You name the state, I've been there. And over a period of time, very quickly, I realized that Indians are genuinely secular. But what do you mean by secular? That is my understanding. I'm saying,
Hmm.
I respect your religion,
Yeah,
but I also respect my religion. That is
absolutely.
secure.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
So now what happened is, then again I was struggling that how do I phrase it. So then I came up with a line. Every session of mine, I start with a disclaimer. And the
Okay.
disclaimer is that I'm not promoting any religion thought process, religion belief. It is just for understanding, expression, purpose. You believe Rama is a god, you're right. In case you believe Ramji is not a god, again you're right. Whatever you believe is right, because as per Shiv Puran, there are three truth: your truth, my truth, real truth. No one speaks the real truth. Everyone speaks the truth that they believe is the truth. I believe he's Lord Rama, he's God. But in case you believe he's not God, I'm sure we both can coexist. And I've realized that it beyond, non-Hindus also, they have hired me. They have paid me money. They have, attended a session, and they've told and come, because the focus is on learning. The focus, I'd never get into any argument about existence, because it's a belief system. I
Belief
believe,
system.
and I scientifically, and I historically, I believe Lord Rama existed. But I don't want to get into an argument with you. It's all about learning, and people, I think, like it. And I not only speak to Ramayana, stick to Ramayana or Mahabharata. I speak about Buddhism, I speak about Mahavir, I speak about Sikhism, so, and I speak, a couple of my friends are Islamic, so I speak a little bit of Prophet Muhammad, whatever limited knowledge I have. So I speak about various
And they all teach the
religion.
same thing end of the
They
day.
all taste the same.
Yeah.
In fact, last month I was invited by an organization called HWPL, which is for peace on earth, where different speakers from different religion and countries were invited, and I
Okay.
represented India and Sanatan Dharm. So
Oh,
over there
great.
they gave us questions, and everyone had to share an answer based on the scripture. So I cannot go and say mujhe aisa lagta hai. No, if they're asking, does God exist, so I have to find out the answer from a scripture.
From the
And the
scripture.
beauty is, everyone give the answer, and while giving the session and while listening to them, you actually get convinced. Everyone speaks the same, it's just the language
Yeah,
is different,
the
or your
language
belief
is
is
different.
just
Yeah.
different. Yeah. So that was it.
Also, while we are at it, can you briefly tell us how you connect mythology to teaching people life lessons, both in corporate and non-corporate? You've just given us an example as to the existence of God, but then usually, suppose, so a corporate session will be different because it's all about team building and
Correct.
trust and
It could
faith
be
and all of
leadership.
that,
Correct.
and leadership. And a non-corporate will be a little different. So how do you connect these stories? Can you give us a brief?
Correct. So what happens is we take it like a regular workshop. Okay,
Okay.
when we are diagnosing, we take it as a regular workshop. We sit with the client, we sit with the HR, and we ask them, what are the points that you want us to focus on? What are the pain areas? What is the objective of the workshop? What is the takeaway that you want? So everything is over there. Now coming, so I'll just come to that,
Yeah.
with some couple of examples. But it is my belief and it is my understanding of last 6 7 years that when you are taking a session, no one remembers technical points. Nobody remember technical points. All they remember are stories and examples.
Yeah,
They remember the
examples, yeah.
activities. They remember the discussion. That is all they remember. And we Indians, we are from a land where there are brilliant storytellers. अगर आप इंडिया में कोई भी हो, किधर भी हो, स्टोरी तो हमने बचपन से सुनी होगी. कभी मम्मी ने सुनाई होगी, कभी भाई ने सुनाई होगी, कभी पापा ने सुनाई होगी, कभी यार दोस्त ने सुनाई होगी, टीचर्स ने. तो we are surrounded by stories, and that is what people remember.
Yeah.
So then the process begins from there. Then we try to identify. These are the pains area. These are the takeaways that we want. Now, which stories will fit over there? Because what happens is, now if I tell you, let's say for example, कि Namrata as a leader, these are the things you're supposed to do. तो आप पहले आपके मन में क्या आएगा? I'm just talking in English. आप कौन हो बोलने के लिए? Be in my shoes. Handle my manager. Handle my boss. मेरी कंपनी की पॉलिसी तुमको पता है क्या? तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या? All those things will come. So what happens is when we speak about the story, and grace of God, I'm a storyteller. So when we speak about these stories, when we tell them the stories, they actually start visualizing themselves and they keep themselves in that shoes. And then they understand, okay, these were the do's, these were the don'ts and all. And then we link it to the 21st century. कि अगर राम जी ने ऐसा किया, कृष्ण ने ऐसा किया, बुद्धा ने ऐसा किया, उसका आज की डेट में कैसे है और आप उसको कैसे इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो, मैं कैसे इंप्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ. एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली अ स्टोरी, वी एक्चुअली क्रिएट अ रोड मैप फॉर देम कि दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू इम्प्लीमेंट. बिकॉज अगर कोई कहानी है और कहानी में लर्निंग है और लर्निंग हमने बताई नहीं कि उसको इंप्लीमेंट कैसे करना है, तो उसका पर्पस ही नहीं है. वरना एक ट्रेनिंग में क्या होता है, अच्छा होता है. फॉरगेट माइथोलॉजी, नॉन माइथोलॉजी में भी देयर आर सो मेनी ट्रेनिंग्स, दे विल टेल यू, दे विल टीच एवरीथिंग, बट दे विल नॉट टेल यू हाउ टू डू इट. देन व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग? In our books they have told us how to implement also, so then we focus on the implementation part also, and फिर लोगों को उस पे मजा आता है. So going back, so let's take an example. Let's take a very simple example to understand. गणपति अभी आ रहे हैं, गणेश चतुर्थी आ रहे हैं, गणेश जी का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ठीक है, गणपति जी इज स्पेशली इन महाराष्ट्र, इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इवेंट्स, इफ नॉट द बिगेस्ट इवेंट. अब मैं लोगों को कई बार पूछता हूँ कि गणपति बापा को हम विघ्नहर्ता क्यों कहते हैं? हम गणपति बापा को ही विघ्नहर्ता क्यों कहते हैं? तो लोग कहते हैं कि उनको आशीर्वाद मिला था भगवान शिव का, माँ पार्वती का. हाँ, कि उनका बिहेड हुए तो उनको आशीर्वाद दिया कि अब से तुम विघ्नहर्ता हो, सबसे पहले तुम्हारी पूजा की जाएगी, which is right. But now what happens is, now let's look at it from a corporate perspective. Now let's look at from a learning perspective, and let's look at from a implementation perspective. Now over here, let's take them as a metaphor. Let's take them as a metaphor. So we tell everyone that we'll take all these gods as a metaphor right now, just for understanding. Because one thing that we are very careful is we do not demean gods, we do not belittle them, we do not make fun of them, because they are God. And who am I to make fun of them? But then from a learning perspective, we tell them, okay, let's put it in a metaphor term. अब अगर आप इंडियन ancient Indian history देखेंगे, epics देखेंगे, पुराणास देखेंगे, इतिहास देखेंगे, और mythology, whatever you want to call it, so there are males and females, there are god and goddesses. Correct?
Right.
Now if you see, हम लोग को जीने के लिए, for everyone, a human being, we require a lot of things. हमको सूर्य की किरणें चाहिए, हमको वायु चाहिए, हमको जल चाहिए, हमको कपड़े चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए. अब अगर आप और ध्यान से डीपली देखेंगे ना, तो ह्यूमन बींग्स को जो स्पेसिफिकली चाहिए, ह्यूमन बींग्स, आई एम टॉकिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिकली ह्यूमन बींग्स, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग एनिमल्स नाउ. हमको जो भी चीज चाहिए ना, वो सब हमको औरतों से मिलती है. आदमी कुछ नहीं देता है. ओके, ह्यूमन बींग्स को हमको पैसा चाहिए, लक्ष्मी माता की पूजा करो. हमको विद्या चाहिए, सरस्वती माता की पूजा करो. हमको कंटेंट चाहिए, आपको संतोषी माँ की पूजा करनी पड़ेगी. आपको खाना चाहिए, अन्नपूर्णा माता की पूजा करनी पड़ेगी. हमको जो भी एसेंशियल्स एक ह्यूमन बींग को चाहिए ना, वो मोस्टली हमको सब औरतों से मिलता है. करेक्ट? जो मेल है ना, वो हमको अच्छा नॉलेज देंगे, ज्ञान देंगे, तो वो अलग हो जाते हैं. नाउ यू कैन डू how much ever of your research if you want, you will realize that Lord Ganesha is the only God. जैसे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश है, तीन मेन गॉड्स है, जैसे हम त्रिमूर्ति कैसे है, वैसे त्रिदेवी है, लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती एंड पार्वती माता. अब ये तीनों के साथ ना, ये तीन मेन गॉडेसेस का ना, ओनली गणपति बापा इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड. ओके, अभी वो लक्ष्मी एंड सरस्वती उनकी बीवी है इन द अवतार ऑफ रिद्धि एंड सिद्धि. माँ पार्वती के बेटे हैं, संतोषी उनकी बेटी है, करेक्ट, लव कुश उनके बच्चे हैं. अगर अभी एक स्टेप बैक जाते, अगर मुझे पैसे के प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं लक्ष्मी माता की पूजा करता हूँ. पैसा मिलता है, मैं बोलूंगा माता मुझे अब कंटेंट चाहिए, बोलेगी बेटा संतोषी माता की पूजा कर, मैं उधर जाता हूँ. माता मुझे शक्ति चाहिए, पार्वती माता की पूजा कर. अब वो कहेंगे सब बोल के मुझे विद्या चाहिए, वो कहेंगे तुम सरस्वती माता के पास जाओ. वो सब एक से एक गॉड के पास मुझे जाना पड़ता है. गणपति बापा कनेक्टेड टू एवरीवन, वन विंडो क्लियरेंस, absolute one window
It's
clearance.
perfect. One
So
window
over
clearance, and our favorite too.
करेक्ट. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज नाउ कमिंग टू दैट. सो अब शिव जी और पार्वती भी बड़े भगवान हैं, मतलब दे आर नॉट स्मॉल. बट अगर आप देखेंगे, हम महाशिवरात्रि मनाते हैं, एक रात, नवरात्रि मनाते हैं 9 रात. गणपति बप्पा बिकॉज ही इज माई विघ्नहर्ता, हम 11 दिन उनकी पूजा करते हैं. So within the organization also, from the doorman to the chairman, whoever solves my problem is my विघ्नहर्ता. वो मैनेजमेंट में कि नेशनल मैनेजर है, जोनल मैनेजर की क्या, उससे मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ. Your network is your net worth. That is what we have learned. I have learned from Ganpati Bappa, and that is what I tell people. When you're working in an organization, you have to be a problem solver. The moment you become a problem solver, now you're famous, you're popular, and that is what happened here also. You are celebrated, So then designation doesn't come, come in picture. Your problem solving
That's a very valid point.
is what
You have
people
to
will
be a
admire.
problem solver. Yes, yes. That's
Correct.
great.
So.
I have another question which has been hovering over my mind. Tell me, why should, ठीक है, आप तो mythology का reference दे रहे हो, but why should people learn from the Puranas? The question is why, and what has been the feedback? Have people asked you these questions, and how has the feedback been?
So to be honest, you're the first one who's asking me this question in last 7 years, and grace of God, a lot of people have invited me for a chat or talk, but no one ever asked me why should we read.
It's a valid
so they
question.
say, okay, what is the
सीखूं.
करेक्ट. सो लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं इसका क्या बेनिफिट है. सो मोर ऑफ द एवरीवन इज इंटरेस्टेड टू नो व्हाट. सो व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग मी, इट जस्ट स्टक मी दैट यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू आस्क मी व्हाई. एंड आई टेल यू दिस आंसर इज नॉट माइन. फर्स्ट आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि जिसका क्रेडिट है उसको मिलना चाहिए. तो नीतीश भारद्वाज जी जो है, जो कृष्णा का रोल प्ले किया, जिन्होंने महाभारत में बी.आर. चोपड़ा का, विष्णु पुराण का, मैंने उनका सेशन अटेंड किया था, और ये जवाब मुझे उधर मिला.
Okay.
कि हमको क्यों अटेंड करना चाहिए. एंड सो ही एक्सप्लेन्ड इट वेरी ब्यूटीफुली. ही सेड के 3 प्रकार के लोग होते हैं. एक जो कृप करते हैं, एक जो साधारण मनुष्य होते हैं, और एक जो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लोग होते हैं. सो यू विल सी देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन दैट विल टेक प्लेस. सो दीज बुक्स विल हैव ऑल काइंड ऑफ पीपल. समवन who's struggling, who's a failure, who's cribbing, and someone who's living an ordinary life, and someone who's a brilliant. So we'll have to look at 4 segments to understand. So this is one lot. Second, there are 4 type of people when it comes to education. Okay, knowledge. 4 type के लोग होते हैं. One person is who's educated but not intelligent. Degree है but उसको याद ही नहीं वो सबका क्या है. So they have knowledge on paper. Now, so educated but not intelligent. Now there are some people who are intelligent but they are not wise. But they're not wise.
Okay.
They're not wise. So they have the knowledge, but there's a possibility they don't have the experience. They don't know the application beyond what has been told to them.
Okay.
Correct. So जितना बोला उतना कर दिया, but they're not wise enough to understand. So also the difference between intelligent and wisdom would be, you should know when to talk and when not to talk.
I was about to ask you.
Correct. So that is the wisdom. Now he said that there are some people who are wise, but very few people are enlightened. There are very few people who are enlightened, whose consciousness is very high. And he said what our books has done is they have, captured stories, histories of these enlightened people. It could be Lord Buddha, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Lord Mahavir. He said that these books are telling us how to, from an educated person, travel your entire life to become enlightened. He said everything is mentioned over there.
Is that
so
journey
this is the reason. Yeah. So he said that this is what is mentioned. So this is the purpose. Third, very beautifully explained, जैसे बॉम्बे में, if you're listening and you're out of Bombay, I'm not sure if you'll understand the term I'm going to use, but बॉम्बे में या कई जगह पे ना लोग कहते हैं तू मन बुद्धि है. मतलब एक्चुअली मन बुद्धि साथ में होता ही नहीं है. There's no term मन बुद्धि.
They're
There's
not
a term called
utilizing
man
it.
and there's a buddhi. So what is man? Man is basically where we get information from the five senses that we have. Okay, तो वो मेरे माइंड को जाता है. वो इनपुट को अब मैं क्या प्रोसेस करके आउटपुट में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ, that is buddhi, that is wisdom. Correct, that is wisdom. Now wisdom says that a human being life, okay, is all about improving.
Right.
Okay, and you need to
Exactly.
learn from other people's experience also. You're supposed to learn from other people's experience also, other people's knowledge also, so
Yeah.
you do not do the same mistakes that other people have done, or you implement those things that other people have done and they have become successful. Correct, so you agree till here?
Yeah.
He said ये सब तो अब हमारी बुक्स में लिखा ही है, तुमको गलतियां क्यों करनी है? बुक्स पढ़ लो, समझ जाओ क्या करना है, learn from them the do's and don'ts of life, and then you're more than sorted.
And sadly,
So I
अभी
think
तक ऐसा हुआ है कि people actually wait till they're pushed till the edge or something, and when they're about to fall, then they seek knowledge from such
Correct.
books. Might as well
Correct.
seek the knowledge beforehand and implement it, so that you're not
Correct.
pushed to the edge.
Correct. And another example I usually give, as because not a lot of people, आज की language भी थोड़ी change हो गई है, contemporary होनी चाहिए सब कुछ, So I always give the example. So let's say, Namrata, I'm sure when you purchased a mobile phone, आपने जब box खरीदा होगा, आपको box में क्या क्या मिला था, आपको याद है?
Um,
फिर भी कुछ भी
Charger,
मोबाइल हैंडसेट के अलावा.
charger,
करेक्ट.
headset, and a manual. Headset मिला था कि नहीं मुझे याद नहीं. हाँ, headset and a manual guarantee warranty card with it.
Correct. So which phone did you purchase last, if you don't mind?
Apple.
ओके, नाउ लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम एप्पल खरीदा होगा, ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम जब आपने लिया था, तो तो एप्पल इज टोटली डिफरेंट देन एंड्रॉइड. अब आपको उसको फीचर्स समझने में कुछ ना कुछ आपको थोड़े चैलेंजेस आए हुए हैं, आई एम श्योर. करेक्ट, तो आपने वो चैलेंजेस को ओवरकम कैसे किया,
ठीक है.
किससे सीखा?
Well, I self-learned. I mean,
हाँ
either
हाँ.
you ask someone or you read the manual or you self-learn with dimag, non-mand buddhi लगा के.
Correct. So what happens is, lot of time now people will try to experiment, or people will like to Google, go to YouTube, go to Quora, or they would like to ask other people जो वो existing उसको use करते हैं.
Right.
Okay, very few percentage people will actually read the manual. Very few
Oh, I
people
read
will
the
actually
manual.
open
I
the
read the
manual.
manual.
Ha, so I
read
said
the
na very few. I didn't say zero. So I said very few people will actually read
Like
the
I told
manual,
you, I
open
read
the
the
manual.
manual, yes.
Correct. But all the features, everything is mentioned in the manual. Still,
Actually, I
people will go
understand
and
what
find
you're
the
saying.
answer.
First, people will maybe go to Google or YouTube or ask someone and then go back to the manual last. I don't know how that
Correct.
works, but yeah.
So, correct. So similarly, what has happened is God has given us life. God has given us these beautiful manuals. We don't need to experiment anything. We don't need to go and check with anyone. We don't need to go to Quora. We don't need to go to Google. We don't need to go to YouTube. We don't need to check with any
Read
friend,
the manual,
colleague,
you're
father,
saying.
mother. You just read the manuals that have been given to you. One manual, two manual. That's it. Your life is sorted. So I think these are the reasons why a person should, read our epics, because it's beautiful. It's really wonderful, and it has got
Right.
answers to, I think, everything under the sun. Yeah.
And how has been the response been over the years from your audience? And since you've started in 2015 to now 2020, how has the response of the audience changed? Like, have you seen a shift of change, like how they've accepted it, or is it still the same challenge that you've been facing from day one to convince them?
No, grace of God, no, not. It's not now. I don't have to sell, to be honest. I don't have to sell the concept. I really don't have to sit with them and tell them कि देखो भाई मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, ये करूँगा. So over here, I would like to give credit to social media also, because a lot of now when anyone would hire, a trainer, so they will go and Google about the trainer. They would like to go
Right.
on the read their articles, read their quotes, watch their videos, and then we have also written a book, Break Your Leadership Chakravyuh. So some
Yes,
little
we shall
bit,
come to that.
so people would feel कुछ तो आता ही है. So so selling is not there, and audience acceptance has improved a lot. Improved a lot, and somewhere because grace of God, we have realized a very thin line which we are not supposed to cross. That is religion. We don't cross that
Right,
line. We
right.
speak, we make it
That's very
contemporary, we make it,
important.
hilarious, we make it light for them. We speak logic, we speak rational, we link it to them. And then within 15, 20 minutes, people start, believing and connecting that, okay, there's a learning that I can implement. So that is what we do. And we take their challenges. We take the issues that they are facing and we give them a story that see, it has happened before also. So it gives them a confidence कि ये अनंत काल तक है, ये पहले भी हुआ था, अभी भी हो रहा है. I'm not the first one, and all these things are captured. So now people are opening up, youngsters are opening up, people who have seen Mahabharata, Ramayana, they're opening up. I think last 3-4 years, people have opened up a lot. They are okay to listen, they're okay to
I
talk.
think it's because of
पहले
social
थोड़ा issue
media
था.
also, because now people from the Western countries have also started taking interest in the stories and the preachings from mythology, be it any religion. It's
True,
just the
true,
history and the
true.
learnings behind it.
True.
Yeah.
So
And but
just
then
to add what you said, sorry.
hmm,
So just to add what you said, last one, in fact, I was doing a talk where most of the people were non-Indians and
hmm,
non-Hindus. And, they had no clue who Lord Rama would be, or who
hmm,
Arjuna would be, or who
hmm,
Eklavya would be. But that session went on for 1.5 hours.
hmm.
And people were listening to the story and they were amazed. So what happens is, the beauty is every story will have a learning and everyone can
Yeah.
decode that learning. So I'll tell them, okay, I'm a storyteller, let's look at the story. And I told them a story and then they started decoding. And I think that is the power of our books and that is the power of our stories. So across globe, people can relate to the stories because it is human story. It is nothing fictional. कि जिसके
And
मन
I
में जो
also, I
आया
think
लिख
the
दिया.
way you put it, like you said, you are a storyteller, the way you maybe narrate the story and captivate the audience also makes a difference at one point, I'm sure.
Yeah, true. I really don't know how to respond, but yeah, thank you. So usually my session gets it's embarrassing, but yeah. So because it's really important. So
Hmm.
अभी जैसे online हमारा काम हो गया, everything is
Hmm.
online now. So
Right.
luckily, because I'm a storyteller, the stories बोलो, God has been kind. The audience has been really, really very supportive. मतलब मेरे sessions कभी it's 1 hour, it goes on to 5 hours also, and grace of God, no one has
Hmm.
dropped, no one has complained, and I have a bad habit, it never gets over on time, because वो stories में क्या होता है, कोई question आता है, फिर एक और story आती है, तो
Yeah,
extend हो
even
ही जाता है,
today
but yeah, people.
we are talking, and I don't want this conversation to end. Not that I want it to end. I'm just
Correct.
saying that yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sure your sessions must be extending. But having said that, अभी के लिए
Thank
तो
you.
सब ठीक जा रहा है. But the new generation which is coming, which is called the Generation Z or the Gen Z, how are you going to convince them? They are all about technology. They have their own lingo. They have their own theories. And how will you relate the mythology to them? They are our future, right? So going forward, how do you see that going?
मैं आपको ना इसमें बात बताता हूँ, ये ना मिथ है जब लोगों को लगता है कि यंगस्टर्स को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
Hmm.
For this, we'll have to look at the history of India of last 100 years to understand why this misconception is there. See, this
Hmm.
is my understanding. The great and the real knowledge, or the great knowledge now, it was with my grandfather, great
Hmm.
grandfather. Okay.
Hmm.
Now my great grandfather passed on the knowledge to my grandfather.
Hmm.
ठीक है. My grandfather had good knowledge, but then unfortunately, the partition took place. अब partition हो गया तो existence was an issue over there. अब वो
Hmm.
ग्रैंडफादर ने, उनके पास उतना टाइम ही नहीं था वो नॉलेज मेरे फादर को देने के लिए. तो
Hmm.
थोड़ा बहुत टाइम मिलता था, वो उनको सिखाते थे, समझाते थे, चले जाते थे. बट मेरे
Hmm.
फादर की जनरेशन के लिए, आई एम श्योर योर फादर वुड आल्सो हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, फॉर देम सर्वाइवल वाज अ क्वेश्चन.
नहीं, वो
सो देन दे
सिखाते
स्टार्टेड
थे
टू
पर
वर्क
उस लेवल तक नहीं सिखाते थे.
उस लेवल
सिखाए
पे
तो
ना,
है,
क्योंकि
हाँ.
टाइम कम हो गया ना. हाँ नहीं, स्वयं से अभी वो डाइल्यूट होना चालू होगा, अभी आप देखोगे. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग सिखाया ही नहीं है, वो सिखाया उन्होंने, बट अगर उनको 10
Diluted.
चीजें पता थी तो वो 8 चीजें या 7 चीजें मेरे फादर को सिखाई. अब मेरे फादर की जनरेशन में, हमारे फादर की जनरेशन में सर्वाइवल वाज द की. अब वहां पे क्या हो गया कि उनको फिर 10-12 साल की उम्र में काम करना चालू पड़ गया. ओके. अब उन्होंने पहले 10 से 8 सीखा, अब वो 8 से नीचे 6 या 5 आ गए, हमारे तक आ गए. अब हमारी लाइफ तो और यहाँ पे बिजी हो गई आफ्टर इन्वेंशन ऑफ मोबाइल एंड लैपटॉप एंड ऑल. तो अब हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं अपने बच्चों को समझाने का, सिखाने का. प्लस एक और चीज क्या हो गई थी ना, 2 जनरेशन पहले तक ना, this is what I've observed in my family, and I'm talking about across my family, father and mother दोनों साइड के. उन लोग कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं करते थे अपने फादर को या अपने मदर को कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये दिया क्यों जला रहे हैं, ये तिलक क्यों लगा रहे हैं, ये रिचुअल क्यों कर रहे हैं. अब की जनरेशन पूछती है ये क्यों कर रहे हैं.
क्यों करें?
अब
Why
मेरे
should we
फादर
do?
का उसका आंसर ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको किधर ना किधर उनको भी नहीं ध्यान से कन्विक्शन है. So then what happened is, then the people started to take a step back. मेरे फादर को पता ही नहीं लॉजिक क्या है, so why should I believe in it? So that is the gap that took place. Now coming back to your question, My wife Mehak and I've been blessed. There's a college in Pune, Sri Balaji Society.
Hmm.
Over there, for last 4 years, we've been going and teaching management lessons from Mahabharata to 1,000 students every year.
Oh, wow.
Every year.
Hmm.
And those kids are 23, 24 years old, and we take a session for them. We explain them the concept, we tell them the story, we tell them the learning. And, to be honest, God has been kind. They all like it. They all love it because you have to make it contemporary.
Yeah.
See, if you are not, if you're not connecting with my story, it is not your problem. It is my problem. So I have to come, I have to rise to your level to make you explain that story. So we did a lot of understanding. We did a lot of, we keep doing a lot of sessions, we do it for kids also. We do it for senior citizens, corporates, non-corporates. But so to understand their lingo, to understand what are they liking, how do we pitch it to them. So that is what I feel. So when we tell them, they like it. They in fact connect with us on various social media. In fact, अभी लॉकडाउन में मुझे कितने मैसेजेस आए वो स्टूडेंट्स के कि महाभारत का हमने बी आर चोपड़ा का देखा, आपकी याद आई, रामायण का देखा, आपकी याद आई. It is just that you have to speak to them and explain to them in their language, their style, and answer their question. You have to answer their question. They want to know why is it
They
happening.
have
And if you
questions
have
for
the answer,
everything. Yes.
yes, they have the question. And it's not that I have answers to everything. It's, I don't. But if I have, they feel, चलो 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे, 9 का तो जवाब मिल गया कम से कम. So they feel कुछ तो logic है. They want to know why are we doing it. That's it. You answer their why, they're sold out. And I think they are the one who will actually take it ahead, because I think they are the one who will get technology involved in this and start spreading the knowledge. So I think
Yes, like
we are going
one
in
of
the
our
right
viewer
direction.
here has mentioned, today's generation does crave for and has diverted to ancient scripts.
Correct.
Yes, I think
Correct.
they have been curious. Curiosity is the mother of invention. So I'm sure that they will invent and maybe put it up online, and जैसे आपने
Correct.
improvise किया, the next generation will improvise it further and
100%.
take it up for
Correct.
the next generation to come. So having said that,
Correct.
let's talk about your book. Sorry, I haven't read it, but I intend to read it. You have co-authored a book with your wife Mehak. It's called Break Your Leadership Chakravyu. I love the name.
Correct.
I love
Thank
breaking
you so
everything
much.
which is a chakravyu. I always talk about breaking life patterns, and it is very important to break it. Please tell us more about it.
Correct. So, thank you so much, for the wishes. So, this is the book that we have written, Break Your Leadership
थोड़ा
Chakravyu.
ऊपर
And what,
रखिए ना. I want to see the cover of it. Okay.
so there's a cover. Okay. So, what we have done is over here, the reverse has happened. And, one of my participant now, friend, Mr. Rajesh, he told me, he said, ऋषि होता क्या ना, लोग पहले बुक लिखते हैं और फिर स्पीकर बनते हैं. मतलब तुम लोग के केस में उल्टा हुआ है. तुम लोग 4 साल से बात कर रहे थे, अभी तुमने उसको बुक में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. So, but that is good also, because whoever has read our book, they've given us great feedback. Now in this book, what we have done is we have compiled it in such a manner that your leadership skills are covered over here.
Okay.
Ganpati Bappa is one story. Like this, we have got like 22 chapters. And what is a Chakravyu? That we
It's
all
a
are going
vicious
through.
circle that you are stuck in.
It's a vicious circle, correct. So over here, the highlighting point is between Abhimanyu and Arjun.
Yeah.
What was the difference between them? So that is what we've explained in this. What is the 21st century professional Chakravyu has been explained over here.
Okay.
How to break that Chakravyu, that is also explained over here, which we have also implemented in our business, which we've also, consulted with a lot of our clients also, and they've also implemented, they've seen the results also. So over here, we are trying to explain to them, see the logic, see the stories. Everything is mentioned. So we have covered your leadership styles, we have covered the roles of a leader, we have covered the Chakravyu concept, rapport building, interpersonal relationship, when to help your subordinate, it could be as good as situational leadership. Everything has been covered in this book. Stories, learning, storytelling. We have kept it very short. We have focused more on the story in detail, because then you can visualize what is happening, and the learning is crisp, point to point, and how to implement. So that is what we have done, So, and thank you so much for the, you like the title, Break Your
Yes,
Leadership
yes.
Chakravyu. In fact, that is one of my signature workshop also. I've been blessed enough to, take a session on Break Your Chakravyu across length and breadth of India. That is one topic which I think I would have delivered more than 50 times, So that is a 3-hour talk which goes into trance, at least in my head. So it's
Talking about
yeah,
Chakravyu,
so that is all.
this is about the leadership Chakravyu that you're talking about. So what would you have to say to people who want to break the Chakravyu in their personal life? Like I'm talking about non-professional life. Maybe many people are stuck in patterns and they want to come out. Do you do sessions on those as well, or सिर्फ corporates में ये
Yes,
चीज
yes.
लागू होता
No,
है?
no, no. So we do, so the Chakravyu that we do, the sessions
Hmm.
that we take, it is not
Hmm.
only for leader corporates,
Hmm.
it is for everyone. As you know, it
Personal
could be
life
for a
as well.
college going student
Hmm.
also, because we link personal life and professional life, and we tell them the steps what it takes to
Hmm.
break the Chakravyu. So
Right.
over
Right.
there we get more into, how do you handle fear, how do you prepare a road map, और हम लोग जो सेशन में है सिर्फ हम लोग बताते नहीं हैं, ज्ञान नहीं बांटते हैं, हम उसमें
Hmm.
स्टेप्स भी बताते हैं कि ये स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करनी है, इसका बैकअप क्या होगा, आप कैसे करोगे. And God has been kind. We have, whoever has followed it, they have got back to us and said that, हम लोग को टूटा नहीं, बट वो एक एक लेयर टूटना चालू हो चुका है.
वो
So
एक एक
today
लेयर
or
में ही
tomorrow,
टूटता है, एक रात
बस
में तो कुछ
करेक्ट,
नहीं
एक
होता. It's a long
नहीं
journey,
होता है. करेक्ट,
and the
करेक्ट.
road to break such Chakravyus is not an easy part. It
It's not easy
involves a
part.
lot of dedication and everything that involves around
Correct,
sacrifices and this and that, and get your priorities right and
correct,
all of that. So it's not an easy journey. सिर्फ theoretical
correct,
knowledge रहने से होता नहीं है. We have to implement
correct.
it with our minds open.
True,
So that is also
true,
important.
true, true, true,
Yes.
true.
That's
So,
that's amazing. I will
uh,
actually love to read it. I will grab a copy and I shall have
definitely,
one stick on it. And what were you
I'll
saying?
definitely. Nothing, nothing. I was just, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Anything else
Correct.
you want to add? And your last words. I had a wonderful session. Thank you so much. But last word for our viewers to ponder on after they've finished the session. सब तो सुन लिया, सब retain किया, but something that you want to like जैसे session खत्म होने के बाद भी मैं उस पे सोचूं, what do you want to add?
So see, there's one small conversation of Lord Buddha that I would like to add. I always like to close it with that. So over there, what happened is that Lord Buddha बैठे होते हैं, and then he's enlightened by that time, and he started to travel, spread the knowledge, meet a lot of people, interact with a lot of people, and one day, one of the gurus, I honestly I can't recollect the name, and then he later becomes a disciple of Lord Buddha. He checks with Lord Buddha that who has been your guru. He said, मेरे कई गुरु थे. बोलता बड़ा प्रथम गुरु. He said मैं खुद था. So he's like, how can you call yourself a Pratham Guru? You have learned from so many people. He said, देखो यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी नदी है. अगर आपको नदी के उस पार जाना है तो आप कैसे जाओगे? तो कहते हैं कि मैं तैर के जा सकता हूँ, चल के जा सकता हूँ, या मैं कोई नाव का इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ. बट बुद्ध कहते हैं कि मान लो आप तैरने को भी तैयार नहीं हो, आप चलने को भी तैयार नहीं हो, आप नाव का इस्तेमाल करने को भी तैयार नहीं हो, आपको ज्ञान है बट आप इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहते हो, फिर आप कैसे जाओगे? बोलता है फिर मैं जा ही नहीं सकता हूँ. तो बोलता है बस ज्ञान आपको मिल गया है, तैर के आप ही को जाना है. So in our sessions, whatever trainings you attend, wherever you go, learning is never a problem. Challenge is in implementing.
Implementation.
आपको सब दुनिया भर का ज्ञान टेबल पे आएगा. How to implement that learning, that is more important, because that is where you'll get updated and upgraded. So that is, therefore I told you earlier, in our session we just don't tell them what is the knowledge, but we don't share only the knowledge, but we also tell them how to implement. Because नदी भी पार कराना है उनको, तो that is what we focus on, and that's for
amazing.
everyone.
That's amazing. क्योंकि लोग
Yeah,
वहां
thank you.
ज्ञान लेके ही रुक जाते हैं, फिर वो नदी तक पहुंच के एक्चुअली रुक जाते हैं, एंड देन कम्स अ
Correct.
प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एंड प्रायोरिटीज एंड
Correct.
टाइम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, उस पूरे जंजाल में फंस जाते हैं, एंड देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू इवन टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप.
Correct. Yeah. But once you take a step, and if you have the passion, dedication, discipline, and determination, I don't think so you'll come back. But the first step is the toughest step, I've realized.
Yes, I was about to say.
And
So thank you for the session, because this is what even my learning is, that Gyan is there. We have we have a dictionary at home. We have the encyclopedia at home. We have all the mythological books at home. We are reading them. कहने को मैं भी भगवद गीता पढ़ ली हूँ बहुत बार. But how much am I implementing is also food for thought. That is again the food for thought I would like to leave for my viewers as well. How much of it are we all implementing in today's day and age, especially in the lockdown, which has taught us so much? How much are we implementing? And I always have this thing, lockdown khatam hone ke baad, how much of it will we continue implementing, or will we go back to the old self we were? So that is my food for thought after your session as well.
Correct. Thank you. I think there's a question Mr. Devi has asked.
See?
What are the actual significance of breaking Chakravarti rather than?
What is the actual significance of breaking Chakravarti rather than building it in corporate world? What is the actual significance? Because you're stuck in a situation. Please answer.
So over there, what? So can you just rephrase it if you don't mind? I like to take that question, but can you just rephrase what exactly did you mean by that?
I think
Yeah.
she's trying to say that वो build ही क्यों होता है जिसको what is the whole importance of breaking the Chakravyuh? Why can't you like go the other way, or why do you need to even build that Chakravyuh जहाँ पे आप फंसे हुए हो?
Okay, okay, fair enough. So, fair enough. So why? So okay, I'll paraphrase very quickly. So why is the Chakravyuh got built only in the first place? Correct? If that is right, correct? If I got it right, okay. Now what happens is that, sir, again I'll have to share a learning with you over here. A man's life, and I mean a woman also. Okay.
Sorry, she's
So actually
saying
we
we
built,
build a Chakravyuh to
yeah,
specialize. What
correct,
in what are we specializing by building the Chakravyuh though?
correct. So why break? Fair enough. So. तो सर इसमें ना एक अभी एक सीरीज आई थी नेटफ्लिक्स पे डार्क, इट वाज अ वेरी
अच्छा.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीरीज, और उसके
हम्म.
अंदर एक स्टेटमेंट था, एक लाइन था सर, व्हाट वी नो
हम्म.
इज अ ड्रॉप, व्हाट वी डोंट नो इज एन ओशन. What you have built, is basically over there. You have built that something that, you feel that this is your world, but till the time you
हम्म.
don't go beyond that, you will not come to know what is the universe. Like for example, I'll just give you my example. I'm sure you would have noticed, मैं आपको किधर भी मेरा example नहीं दिया, but just to answer that question, I was really good at, at my work. I was enjoying my work. I was doing everything good over there. सब
हम्म.
कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. But अगर मैं उसको नहीं तोड़ता, तो तो मुझे नहीं पता चलता था कि मेरे जॉब के बियॉन्ड मुझे और क्या क्या
क्या
मिल
क्या
सकता है. आज ऊपर वाले की मेहर है, यू ट्रैवल सो मच, आप लॉग इन हुए मुझे सुनने के लिए, हम आपसे बातें कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं. इट इज ओनली बिकॉज फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांटेड दैट एंटायर एनवायरनमेंट. इनिशियली आई जेन्युइनली वांटेड दैट एनवायरनमेंट, हेडिंग बॉम्बे एट 29-30, डूइंग गुड, यू गॉट पीपल रिपोर्टिंग, घर है, सब कुछ सब चल रहा है, विच आई वी एज अ फैमिली बिल्ट इट.
You had
बट
only
व्हेन
built it.
आई, yeah, and but when I broke that चक्रव्यूह के देखेंगे क्या होएगा, इसके beyond क्या हो सकता है, and that is where I realized the power of breaking the चक्रव्यूह. And I think
Yes.
so the moment you break it, sir, you will realize that what you're doing is just a small part. Your potential is much bigger than that. So
And
I
also
take that great
people
as a feedback. No,
and
he
also
mentioned
people
great, so I said
have
I'll
their
take that
own
feedback.
people have their own journey. They have to if we are actually not born just to like work, earn money,
Correct,
watch TV, do this. It is way beyond. So like you said, it is a
correct,
whole universe out there, and
correct,
we should
correct,
break and go ahead and see the universe. We are not saying take
correct,
sannyas and leave everything and go there.
correct,
Have a balance
correct,
between the both, but
correct.
ignorance is not bliss.
Correct, correct. Just keep exploring. You never know what is your, what is your potential. We will genuinely not come to know. And today
Basically,
also,
tapping
let's say,
into your potential as
yeah,
well.
correct, correct. Today also we are doing this. Might be after 5 years we'll break this chakra and try to do something,
I'm sure.
different.
I'm
It's
sure.
just for yourself. You know what you're doing.
Even
That's it.
I've been doing that over the past decade. So
Correct,
I do something and then I come to something else and then I improvise and start doing that.
correct,
So
correct,
yeah,
correct,
it's how you discover things. So
correct.
that was
Yeah.
great. Thank you for answering that query.
Thank you.
I had a splendid time. Thank you for joining in, and I'm sure our viewers had some stimuli to even think and ponder on what you said. So I'm very grateful that you came and you shared all your insights with
Correct,
us. Thank you for
correct.
joining in. And
Thank you.
yes, you want to say something?
So I was just want to say that in case the reader, the listener, sorry, are interested in a book, you can get it on
Yes,
Amazon, Kindle,
I was about to
Kobo,
ask.
Flipkart, wherever. It goes on Break Your Leadership Chakra View, and do give us a feedback, do give us a review, because when we write a second book, hopefully we'll incorporate all the feedback that we're getting from people. And thank you,
That's
Namrata,
great.
so much for this talk. I really enjoyed. You're really good at it.
I too
You
enjoyed.
really you're really really good at it. You were listening carefully. You were asking the questions. It was a good conversation, to be honest. And thank you, whoever's watching this and investing their time and energy with us.
Thank
Thank you
you for
so much.
joining. Like I've
You know?
mentioned, for our live sessions, we have been meeting fascinating people looking at offbeat topics. And I was very intrigued by what you do. Yes, I've known many motivational speakers and I've heard many, but I was very intrigued to know how you do it and how do you relate this rather than going the religious way. How do you still stay secular yet use mythology and inspire people? It was a great session, and I look forward. And yes,
Thank you.
I would also like to add his sessions are posted on his personal Facebook page, so you have to look for his name. And if you are interested in listening to any of his sessions, they are there on your Facebook.
Correct. They're on my Facebook.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you for today, and thank you everyone who's joined in. And we had a technological glitch starting me, but then
Sorry for that.
all's well. No, all's well that ends well. Thank you everyone
Correct.
again, and I shall be posting this on the IGTV and Facebook page as well for people who want to view it and share it on WhatsApp or Facebook. And thank you again. This is Namrata signing off. I'll see you again next time with yet another fascinating story or a life journey or a business. Until then, see you. Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you. Take care. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.